Alright folks, how's it going? Moving picker back. I'm gonna try to do Stock Lock Sunday. I don't know if this will work because I'm not that good at picking these. This is an automotive lock an automotive door lock. I don't remember what it's from. It's from some Subaru, I think. I had to go to a salvage yard and get parts for my car, and I figured pick up a couple door locks while I'm up there. I sent a couple of these out to Australia, but Funky Monkey got one, and I'm not going to say the other guy because he has yet to open his package. You know who you are. But yeah. So we'll go ahead and see if I can pick this. Before I do, come check us out on Discord. Link is going to be in the description below. Great people there, great community, a lot of fun. So let's see if I can pop this thing open, because if not, then it was pointless to even start the video because I won't post it. That'd be a way to go out for a Stock Lock Sunday, though. Go out and have a fail to pick for a Stock Lock Sunday. Alright, let's see. I was going to post some videos this week, but I've been busy with some 3D printing projects, and if you guys haven't seen my video where I kind of show you around my little hobby room, whatever you want to call it. All it is a small bedroom that is really, you couldn't fit a queen size bed in here if you tried. But yeah, that's all this room is a hobby room. I pulled some of the noise out of here. I can't get it all out because I've got to have my 3D printers close by my computer. So right now they're just on and idling. They're not actually doing anything. It's just, if the noise is too much, all that is literally just the fans on them. So you guys will have to let me know how noisy the fans are. To me, I really don't hear them, but to my camera, it may hear them a little bit better than I can. But then again, I don't hear well at that tone anyways. Or I've gotten used to them. Alright, which one of y'all is not talking? Okay, the last one is loose, that one is not, so that one needs more. Yippee, and I dropped more. Came off of that one too quick. Alright, let's try this again. But yeah. Yep, that one's solid, so pick that one. I've been picking on this one for a little bit now. So no, this is not my first run through because automotive locks I suck on. This is not the first one I've ever tried to pick. Alright. Come on. There we are. I think that set it. Okay, back one needs to be set. Come on. There's gotta be one on the top then. That one's set. That one's set. I bet I overset one. Really should be timing myself when I'm practicing picking a lock. Try not to make super long, boring videos for y'all. Those are all loose. So I literally just picked this stupid thing before I turned the camera on. Alright, let's go the other way this time. Doesn't seem to want to open that way. Alright. Noticed on these you gotta kind of go at an angle. If you don't, you'll get hung up on the warding, which I have before. Gone through and I've tried picking the warding before. Alright, let's go after the top. I believe it's an 8 wafer. I don't have a key for this one. The other one I do have a key for is too gummed up and I can't take it apart in order to clean it. These are non-serviceable. Could get a key cut for this if I needed to. It's got the bidding stamped on the outside of it. Believe it or not, these automotive locks actually have false sets. Sorry I'm not talking much, folks. This thing's giving me a run for my money. Alright. Let's see something here. See if that helps my case at all. Alright, now I'm racing the camera, racing the battery, racing time. I think I'll run out of space on the camera, or not space, battery. I don't know. It's a toss-up. Will the camera overheat? Will I pick it? Or am I gonna have to call it a day? And it's picked. Ha! I guess I am going to be uploading this video after all. I was starting to think I wouldn't. But it is picked. Brace my hand, that way you can see clearly. Alright folks, before my camera does overheat, there's the body rotating. But before the camera overheats, I'll catch y'all next time.